How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and welcome to another episode of SpeedTech Spotlight. In this episode, we're going to go over our different Z-Series surface mounts. So for example here, I brought our Z3, Z4, and Z6 TIR models here. And then here I have our MultiColor Z6, Z8, and Z12. Now on all of our Z surface mounts, you'll have the same cable functions coming out of the back of your unit. So you'll see that you have your red power cable, your black ground cable, your yellow flash pattern cable, your white sync cable, your blue alternate sync cable, and your green steady burn override cable. And again, you'll have all of those functions on every Z surface mount. Now for example, on our TIR models, now we offer these in our single and half-half colors here. So for example, I brought our Z4 TIR in a red clear. Now you'll notice your unit will stay red and clear, half-half, or we offer amber, red, blue, green, and clear in solid or half-half color combinations, again in our TIR models. And then here I brought our Z6 TIR in a red-blue. So you'll notice your unit is half red and half blue. And then we also offer a Z6 Super Takedown. Now on our Z6 Super Takedown, you'll have white. That when you activate your green steady burn override cable, you'll see your unit will go to all white. Now this is perfect if you need a warning and work light in one. So you'll see that you can be in warning mode, and then by activating your green cable, you can have your unit go to steady burn white. And again, that is our Z6 TIR Super Takedown. When it comes to our MultiColor Z series, these will function the same way as our TIR models, but you'll have your multicolor functionality. So for example here, I bought our MultiColor Z8 in an amber clear color combination. So you'll notice your unit will flash back and forth between its primary and secondary colors. And then we also have flash patterns built into the unit, so you can run your primary or secondary colors individually by using the built-in flash patterns. Now for example, on this unit, my primary color is amber and my secondary color is clear. But we offer these units in amber, red, blue, green, and clear in dual and tricolor. And then another really cool feature, if you have clear in your color model as your secondary color, you can use your green steady burn override cable like we did on our Super Takedown Z6, and you'll see that that will override your unit to steady burn clear. So again, that's perfect if you need a warning and work light in one. So you can get our MultiColor series with clear in the color combination. And again, we offer those in amber, red, blue, green, and clear in dual and tricolor. So we have any color combination for any application. Now make sure to check out our full product demos, our interactive players, and our flash pattern videos on every product page. If you have any questions, use our live chat feature or shoot us an email. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks.